In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade on expect option. So the first thing that you need to do is that you want to log in into your account on expect option. If you don't have an account, you just need to make sure that you create an account. And once you create your account, you just need to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, this is going to show you this screen right here, or this interface that you're seeing right here on the screen. So the first thing that you need to do so that you can start trading here is to basically make sure that you've actually selected the account that you want to use to trade. So if you're going to be using your real account, which means your real funds, you just need to make sure that you select your real account right here. If you're going to be using your demo account, you can just switch into your demo account by selecting right here. So if you're going to be using your real account, you just need to make sure that you deposit into your account. You just need to come here and then click on this plus icon here, and then you can deposit into your account. So once you have your account ready, now to start trading, the first thing that you need to do is that you want to add the asset that you want to trade on the screen right here or on the chart. So to do that, what you just need to do is that you want to come on the top right here. You can see this section here. You just need to click on this arrow here, and this is going to open this tab right here that you're seeing right now on your screen. So right here, this is where you can find all assets that you want to trade on the expect option platform. So if you click right here on trading, you can actually find many different pairs or instruments that you can trade right here. If you click right here on stocks, you can also find some stocks that you can actually trade right here on expect option. So we just want to go back on trade right here. So now let's say you've actually found the asset that you want to trade. You just need to click on it like this. Once you click on it, you just need to come on the bottom right here and then click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, as you can see, that's basically going to add that asset on your screen right here or on your chart, which means that you're now ready to actually trade that particular asset or instrument. So we have our asset now. What you need to do next is to come on the bottom right here. So on the bottom right here, if you come here on the right here, if you click on this section here, on this particular section here, this is where you can set your trade time. So I can choose from these particular times right here on the basics, on the basic option right here, or I can click right here on custom, and then I can actually set my own trade time. Like, for example, if I want 3 minutes and then 3 minutes and 17 seconds here, I can just select my time. And then once you're done selecting or setting your trade time, you just need to click right here on confirm. Once you click on confirm, the next thing now is to actually set your investment, or basically the amount that you're willing to risk a trade. So this can be any amount that you're comfortable to actually risk. So if you want to go ahead and actually set your investment, you just need to come here and then click on investment right here. And then what you just need to do is to basically type the amount that you want to use for your trading. Like, for example, let's say I want $50. I can just come here and then click right here on 50, and that's going to set my $50 right here. And then I just need to come here and then click on this check mark right here. So which means now I have everything ready and set. So now, which means I can just go ahead now and buy and sell the market. But before you buy and sell the market, you can actually do your analysis if you want to. If you are a person that like doing technical analysis and all that stuff, you can find some drawing tools right here. Like, for example, if you want to use things like trend lines or those kind of things, you can just come here, because you can see we have these icons here. You can click on these lines right here. You can see all the tools that are available right here. Like, for example, let's say I want to draw support and resistance levels. I can just come here and then click right here on the horizontal line, and then click right here once again, and then here I can choose the color. Then I can select the color like this and then click on confirm. And then as you can see, that's going to add my horizontal line right here, and I can now position it on any area that I want. Like, for example, if I want to add it right here, I can just put it right here. So that's how you can actually add any tool. Like, if you want to use trend lines, you can just do the same thing. Come here on this particular option, click right here, and then you can find the trend line tool right here, and you'll be able to use it for your analysis. If you want to use indicators, come here on this section once again, click on this icon here, which is looking like this, sort of like an A or something. Just click on that icon, and here this is where you can find any indicator that you can use right here, like the RSI, the Williams, the CCI, the MACD, and even more indicators. So now let's say you've actually finished doing your analysis and everything, and you're comfortable and you're sure that you need to actually take a trade. You just need to come here on the bottom and then you can choose whether you want to predict that the market is going to go up or down. So if you are predicting according to your analysis and everything that the market is going to go up, you can just come here on this green button right here. But if you're predicting that the market is going to go down, you just need to click right here on the sell button. So taking for example, let's say I am predicting that the market is going to go upwards. I just need to click right here on buy here, just like that. And as you can see right here, that's going to actually set my trade. This is my trade here, as you can see here, and this is my investment. And as you can see, the market is moving. So if you want to find your trade and see how it is doing, you can come here where it says deals, click on this section here. And as you can see right here, this is where you can see your running trade right here. So your trade will actually run according to the time that you've set for yourself. So you just need to wait for the time to expire so that you can see if you're able to actually win this or not. So on the right here, you can actually find a lot of things. Like, for example, if you want to join the Expert Option affiliate program, you can just come here where it says inviting in, and you'll be able to actually join the Expert Option affiliate program. And if you want to deposit into your account, you just need to come here on this section here, click right here on this arrow, select your real account. Once you select your real account, you can just click right here on this plus icon, or what you can do is that you can just click right here on finances, and then you can click right here on deposit. And this is going to show you this tab right here that you're seeing right here, where you can basically select any payment method that you want to use to deposit into your account. Like, for example, let's say you want to use cryptocurrencies, and as you can see right here, we have different payment methods that you can use with. So for example, let's say I want to use Bitcoin. I just need to come here and then click on this section. And this is going to take me on this page right here, where I just need to type the amount that I want to deposit into my account. So let's say I want to deposit $50. You just need to type it up like this. And then once you're done, you can just go ahead and click on pay right here. Once you click on pay, this is going to take you on the next page, where you just need to basically select the actual cryptocurrency that you want to use to deposit into your account. And you're going to be provided with the address that you just need to go and make your transfer into your account. And once you do that, that's basically going to deposit into your account, and you'll be able to see your balance right here on the top.